In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send large file on WhatsApp. So first I open WhatsApp on my Android phone. Now select this person I want to send file. And now if I going on this icon, again going on gallery, now select this file, then click on send. You can see this is a long video, will be trim it, a video you select it will be trimmed to 180 MB in size, but this is restricted. But I have another way to send this file easily. Now click on this icon, again click on document, and again go on browse document. You can see select file up to 2 GB. This is very kinds of service. uh, so if I select this file, again click on send. So if you look, this already loading, and maybe after a few seconds it will automatically send this person. Wow, you can see it's already starting to send. So this is a method how you can send large file on WhatsApp. So if you have found this video helpful, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you, can take care. Goodbye.